Hey guys, welcome back. Today, what we are going to see is there are the objects which are available in a dictionary class and which are being used to view items within a dictionary. Yeah. So the items, keys, and values methods of dict class are used to view objects within a dictionary. Now, these views are refreshed dynamically whenever any change occurs in the contents of a source object dictionary. Yeah. So let's see this view objects one by one. First is the items method. Yeah. So let me just format it a bit. What does items method does is the method returns a dict item view object. It contains list of tuples, each tuple made up of respective key value pairs. Yeah. Usually the syntax of this particular method is, let me just make it bold. The syntax of this method is that object or the variable in which you want to store the output of the way of this particular method, dict dot items. Yeah. And dict dot items, the dictionary that you want to get the items from, and there is no parameter. Yeah. So the items return dict items object, which is a dynamic view of key value tuples. Okay. Let's try to we'll try to get an example of items. So let's sample of items view. Okay. So suppose I have this dictionary, which is my dictionary. Let me have, let me print the type of this object. Yeah. So I'll just try to first get these items. Yeah. So let me get the items here. mydict.items, and I'll store it in obj, an object or a variable. Okay. Now what I'll try to do is I'll try to find the type of obj. This will give me the type of object that has been created using the items view. Yeah. Then we'll try to print the object, actual object, print. Yeah. Items within the variable. Yes. And what I'll try to do is I'll try to add a new object. Yeah. So I'll say new dot update or my original dictionary. Sorry. My dict dot update and I am updating a new dictionary to it. So suppose I update D and the value as 4. Okay. And we'll see whether the object is automatically updated or not. Okay. Updated object and is not within dictionary. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to object. Okay. So let me explain you the code that I've written is I have this dictionary. I am getting all the items using my dict.items and storing them in the object. Yeah. Post storing it in the object, I am getting the type of object so that we understand what is the type that is available. Then we are printing all the items which are available in the object just to see that all the items are stored in the form of tuple. Yeah, then I'm updating the object and then I'm printing the updated objects. So let's see whether my code runs or not. Here we can see the type of the object is dictionary. So dictionary items is the type. And we can see here the dictionary items are stored in the form of a tuple. Yeah, tuple, but they are a list of tuples because these tuples are again enclosed within square brackets. Yeah, so these are list of tuples which are being converted based on the dictionary items that we had. Yeah, post that, since I have updated the object, it has automatically added D4 at the end of the dictionary. Yeah. So ideally, I have not updated the object. If you see, I have updated the dictionary. Since there is no D4 in the original dictionary, it has updated D4 in my original dictionary. And subsequently, the object has also got updated. Yeah. My initial object was this. And since I have updated the dictionary, the new object or the object which was referencing my dictionary has also got updated. So these are the key things that you need to understand while using all these functions. Yeah. Same way, we'll check on the keys method. We'll check the keys method. What keys method does is it will list all the keys defined in the dictionary. So all the keys, not the values. It will just list all the keys. And if you try to update the dictionary, the keys will also get automatically updated. Yeah. We'll use the same example that we had for items. So for keys view, yeah. Here, this time I'm replacing items object or items method with keys. Yeah. Rest all of our code remains the same where I am updating the D4 and let's see what is the output. Here we can see my original dictionary, all the keys which were A, B and C, not the values. Items retrieves the values as well. Keys will retrieve only the keys. But as I subsequently updated the keys with D, it has again updated the object with the new key. Yeah. So same thing happens for values as well. Let's see whether it does it for values as well. So this is very important thing that you need to remember when you're using this kind of methods. Yeah, this is very important because subsequently when you're doing some operations and you find that I'll just copy the syntax for your understanding. Here is the keys and here is the values. So again, as I said, for as what key for keys, values also follows the same thing since it is an object of dict class. That's the dictionary class. Yeah. So the values method returns a view of all the values present in the dictionary. We'll use the same example and we'll change the keys part to values. Yeah. This time it will show me all the values which are available in the dictionary. You can see this. So all the values 1, 2, 3 is updated in the dictionary. Yeah. Now when I try to update a new dictionary value in my original dictionary, the relevant object which is associated with this dictionary has also got updated. Yeah. Hence, I have not done any operations on the object. You can see this. First time I'm just showing the various items which are available in the object. And second time I am doing the same. Yeah. Wherein the objects within the view has got automatically updated when the source dictionary is updated. Yeah. So I have taken this specific topic. It's a short topic, but this is the smaller concept that I wanted to stress on, where you can see that in this particular methods, items, keys, and values, if you try to create objects from the original dictionary, those will automatically get replicated to any of the variables that you try to copy this particular object from. Yeah. So basically, if I try to run keys, items, or values on a dictionary and try to store it in a particular variable, the variable would automatically get updated with the with any changes that you do to the original dictionary. Hope you understood this item and the concept that I'm trying to drive. Yeah. Hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any views or feedback about the examples or the views that I have shared across in the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to, if you love this video and if you like to get such kind of informative contents directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.